Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to this amazing channel. My name is Caroline Wamboi, and today you're going to spend an evening with me, and we are going to be cooking together. That is, preparing dinner. I'll also be folding clothes with you people and many more. So stick around and be sure to enjoy the video. In case you are new here, karibu sana. In this channel, we love visitors. So for dinner on this day, I decided to cook some pilau. It was weekend, that was Saturday. On Saturday, that's when I do my pilau and any other good thing like chapatis, because I have all the time to do the cooking. I'm not going to be talking so much because we have cooked pilau so many times in this channel. So just follow and enjoy as you watch.
Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. We don't need no
And of course, the secret to very good brown color on your pilau is a lot of onions and allowing them to completely brown, as I have done to mine.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland island.
For the water, guys, I don't usually measure my rice water. As far as I know the type of rice I'm using and for how long it cooks, I just eyeball the water. Yeah.
I remember the old
was the turnout, and we really enjoyed the dinner, yeah, alongside with some kachumbari. So the next thing I went ahead to do was folding some clothes. Yes, I didn't want them to get piled because there were others that were drying on the lines. Yeah, recently the weather has been good and they have been drying, so I wanted to just fold them before I could unhang the rest the following day. So folding has never been my thing, but you of course know you can't stay with unfolded clothes in the house because it at times gets very messy. But unfortunately, I don't usually overturn my clothes. As far as they are well organized in the closet, then I don't have any problem not overturning them because I hate doing it and I just feel like it is time consuming to keep overturning each one of them.
I'm in a traffic jam.
Allow me to take this chance to welcome all the new subscribers. Karibu sana to this channel. In this channel, you are going to find a lot of homemaking content, a little bit of cooking here and there. We also do some lifestyle videos, just a little bit of it, and we also do hauls in these channels and also makeovers whenever we have the money. I also want to thank my Premier Gang and my returnees. Thank you so much for always finding the time to come and watch me. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for the support. May God bless you. And for all those who are running channels, may God lift the channels. So ensure that you have subscribed and make sure you hit the notification bell so that in case I post a new video, you can always be among the first to be notified. I normally post a video on Tuesday and on Thursday in form of premieres. So if you want to be part of my Premier Gang, just hit the notification bell and always join us on Tuesday at 2 p.m. and Thursday at 1:30 p.m. The next thing I went ahead to do was clearing the sink because the utensils weren't so many. Yeah, I just decided to do it before I could try making a cake. Yeah.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a day
finally want to try out how to bake, and this is what I'll be using. My 2 pieces of eggs there. I have my whisk here. I have this one. I'll be using it to beat my eggs. Then the bowl will be for mixing the whole mixture. Then I have some vanilla essence here. Is it called vanilla essence? Yes, some vanilla. I also have some baking powder here. I also have some sugar here. My flour is here. It is the all-purpose flour. And I have my margarine here. And of course, I have some milk, which is warming because it has been in the fridge. Ignore all the other items on the gas cooker. That's the milk that is warming. So allow me to mix everything together. Then we shall try out baking for the first time.
One of us seems to circle the other, and as you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to, as I know I remain.
Guys, I'm really sorry that I was not able to show you the cake because it failed successfully. Yes, I mean successfully. It didn't come out as I wanted, and I decided not to show you because it was an awful one. But I hope I'll have learned. I will learn. It was just the first time trial, but yes, there's still room for learning. I'm going to just get a few procedures and just look out for where I made the mistake. So this is the following day's evening on Sunday, and most of the Sunday evenings I normally cook chapatis. Yeah, I just decided to do it, and we ate it alongside some beans stew, and it was a very good one. So in case you have watched me up to this point, I'm really grateful. Thank you for sparing your 17 minutes or so to just come and see what I had prepared for you. Reconfirm if you have subscribed. Reconfirm, please, because most of the people who watch me don't have not subscribed to my channel. Kindly check if you have hit the subscription button, and let's get to 1,000 subscribers very soon. It has been a long journey of no of a lot of patience, and we are almost getting there, and I thank God for that.